So welcome back everyone. Today in this video we are going to see another problem based on string, which is a data structure in Python. Okay, let's see the problem that we need to count out the words in a string. So if you're having any sentence, you need to count out how many words are there. Okay, let's say if I'm having hello Python world, so there are three words, right? And after that you can just remove out the spaces. How can you just remove out the spaces between hello Python world, right? Let's just go to the Visual Studio Code. I'll just remove out my previous program. Let's move forward with the coding part. I'm having a string s here. Okay, let's say I have a string hello Python world. Okay, how can I just get the number of words here, right? So you can just simply use out here length function. I can use out my count variable here, which is going to use out first of all the length function. You can use out here simply s dot split, and if you are just trying to get the count, you will get the count. Before that, if I'm just trying to print out my simple s, let's just try to run that. Hello Python world has three words, right? I can reduce here number of words, okay, just for better experience. If I just want to get the no spaces between this, how can I do that? Simply, we have seen the replace function, right? So I'm just going to use out my new variable, which is space. I'm going to use out here s dot replace. Now I just want to remove out my space with no space. And if I'm just trying to print out now, simply my s, you can check the response. Okay, we are not getting here because let me just print out here space, not s. This is how you can just remove out the spaces and you can count the word by the split function, by the replace function. So I hope this is useful information for you guys. Thank you so much.